Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to easily defeat the Gamma King Titan. First, let's prepare for this epic encounter. You will need to gather specific tribute items, including various alpha creature trophies and a good amount of element. Equip your survivor with top-tier armor, such as tech or flak, and a reliable shotgun with plenty of ammo. Don't forget to bring along medical brews and stimulants to keep you in the fight. Your army composition is crucial for success against the King Titan. We recommend deploying at least 6 M.E.K.s, each equipped with powerful M.E.K. pistols and M.E.K. swords for maximum damage. These mechanical giants will be your main damage dealers. A Forest Titan can also provide valuable support, helping to distract and control any summoned minions. Make sure all your tames are at full health and ready for battle.
Playing Rust with a controller brings both unique advantages and some challenges. Many players find the ergonomic comfort of a controller allows for longer, more relaxed gaming sessions. Vehicle control, like driving a car or flying a minicopter, often feels much more natural and fluid. However, you might notice a slight decrease in aiming precision compared to a mouse and keyboard setup, especially in fast-paced combat. Inventory management and quick item swapping can also be a bit slower, requiring practice to master.
Continue your assault with unwavering focus until the King Titan falls. Once defeated, you will be rewarded with a substantial amount of element, crucial for crafting advanced tech gear. You will also unlock several valuable tech engrams, expanding your technological capabilities. This victory marks a significant achievement, granting you access to powerful new items and the satisfaction of conquering one of the ARK's greatest challenges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.